So in my last video showing my redworm bin, I said I wanted to look at some of its contents under a microscope. So let's do this. By the way, I recommend watching that video first for some background on my redworm bin. So to start off, let's take a look at a redworm cocoon which holds multiple redworm eggs using the top light of the microscope. I could be mistaken, but if you look closely at certain points, it seems you can see silhouettes of movement within the cocoon. Now let's take a closer look at a mature redworm using the microscope's top light again. It was difficult to observe due to the worm frequently moving, but I did the best I could. Here we will look at a smear of the compost itself. This was taken right off the surface, and due to the thickness of the sample, I used the top light again. As you can see, there appears to be some microscopic worms or nematodes moving around in the sample. My guess is there are some kind of nematode species that are eating the bacteria, fungi, or other microbes that are inside this worm bin. To wrap up our observations for today, let's look at a sample of the liquid inside the redworm bin. To obtain a sample, I kind of just poked my finger in the fluid at the bottom of the bin and just placed the droplet on the slide. For what I researched, those microbes you see swimming around are protozoans, lots of paramecium, I think they are. Paramecium are single-celled creatures that are usually found in stagnant water, such as the water inside the worm bin. My guess is they are probably feeding on the bacteria in the bin, and I could see why a worm bin would be a wonderful environment for them, but I wonder how they got inside the bin. Do they exist inside the fruits and vegetables I put inside the bin? Also, I wonder if I could find them in the soil outside. I think I could, but I think I may further test that theory. I'm not too sure what those two rounder organisms are. I don't think they're paramecians, but I'm not too knowledgeable on different protozoan species. I hope you have enjoyed this observational video, and please feel free to correct me anywhere I was wrong, or if you wish to clarify something that I said or an idea brought up. Thank you for watching.